So we decided to stay at the Holiday Inn Express. This was our last night. We ended up paying $170, which was complimentary due to the points that I had on Expedia. This hotel is a very nice hotel, very clean. They also provide a free shuttle service to and from the airport. So if you're looking for somewhere to stay right before your flight, or if you arrive late, I would look into the Holiday Inn Express. They also have a continental breakfast, which we show at the end of this video.